Note to self, Oklahoma goes hard at the antique mall on the weekends. I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I bypassed Oklahoma City last night because I didn't feel like having another weird hotel parking lot situation. Don't want to get into it. Anyway, it's like 9 a.m. and this place is already packed. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I'm at Generations Antique Mall. I'm gonna try and cram in as many places as I can today. I'm traveling towards Missouri. I have the Kitsch Caboose today. There's a lot going on, but I'm ready to go shopping. Awesome. Oklahoma has not disappointed so far. I am in the first room. How much is this? $75. Okay. Good, because I was gonna say I can't do another big blowout, although that is really awesome. And it's 25% off. That's really actually not a bad price. This is a large size. I think it's a little too much to pay for resale. Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh, stop it. Holiday fair. This stapler is fantastic. Again, it's a little too high to pay for resale. I love the Minnie Mouse coveralls. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling today is going to be big. These are amazing. I'm so excited for this. What is this knotter? She's missing. It looks like she's supposed to have a flower or something. She's pretty fantastic. I love this one, but he's missing. Well, I mean, you could put an eye on it, but still. Plus, he said $39. I just had to go for it. Oh my gosh. How fun. It's a hobbyist one. No discount. Wow, that dog is amazing. What is this fabulous guy? Newspaper. $15. No discount. It's a little close. Right? No discount? Yeah. Could probably make a couple bucks off that, but not enough to justify. Okay, so first of all, the cats are amazing at $2.50. And Cupid, we love Cupid. He's at $25. That's an older one too, it looks like. Fabulous. Pair. $30. I don't see the other one, but either way at $30. Too close. Oh my gosh. All the cute little pigs. Oh, I'm so upset I can't get my hands on that flower wall pocket. It's just pretty much retail. Just about after fees. Oh my gosh, that celluloid one. Oh, those are so hard to find and I've never seen it in that color. How much is that? It's probably expensive. Wait, I think it says $8. Does this thing open by itself? Oh, and I didn't even have to get a key. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, $8. That's fantastic. I don't care that he's got that little bit of damage for $8. I'm definitely gonna take this. These are really hard to find. If worst comes to worst, I'll just keep it. There's just like so much stuff that's up my alley in here. I'm so excited. I think they have another location down the street. Oh, she's cute, the little Dutch girl. So it looks like I found $5 jewelry. This one's missing a couple of its stones. That's kind of different, even though I think it's newer. What about this? That's pretty. Oh, but there's so much more. Oh, that's got some paint loss. Fabulous though. And the birds. What is this? Nothing. I just like the pattern on it. Let's see. Pendants. Ooh. That's a cute one. Is it broken? Yeah, it looks like it's broken actually. And another flower brooch. For $5, I'll take that one. And what about this one with the little clusters? That's kind of neat. It's got a little damage though. Yeah, let me make sure this one's all good to go. Yeah, I'll take that. And what about back here? What's this one? I see. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. I thought it was one of those celluloid ones with the moonstone in it. Ah, polka dot bangle. That's fun. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of love that. So we'll get that too. And any other bangles? I don't think so. Oh, wait, missed one. Those are probably filled with nickel. Nickel. Oh, I love the color of this clock and the shape. That's fabulous. What is going on over here? The mushroom is not what I thought it was at all. I actually don't want to touch it. It looks kind of grimy. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 75, 125. Oh, I'm still uber regretting leaving that that yellow Hong Kong one. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Let me be careful. This is, what is this? Not what I thought at all. Guess I'm still waking up. I didn't finish my coffee this morning. Bunch of dolls. Oh, that's really pretty, but it's $72. And the little doll, that's cute. I love her outfit. Little dog, 18, yeah. These are probably gonna be expensive, yep, full retail. Whoa, 39, dang. What are these owls? I already see chipping. They're hobbyists, those are really fabulous. And this cat, oh my gosh, I can't even pick it up. Is it like glued? I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm gonna leave that one be. Some more cute little kitschy stuff. Love the monkeys. Little lion planter, lion train. Some jewelry. That's cool. It's probably contemporary. Lots of fun contemporary jewelry though. What is this little doll up here? She's kind of cute. $5. She's missing her shoes. Not that that really matters, but I prefer to sell those when they're complete for sure. Okay, well, I was checking this out when I saw this fun little clown mug. Huh. Louisville. Stoneware. Little owl. Lots of interesting glass pieces here. I love this. That's so pretty with the hand painting. I don't really see a price tag on it. I always see these. Here's a pink one. That's not as exciting because it doesn't have the hand painting, but at least it gives me an idea of what the price would be. So I'm gonna move on here. I see a little sign of Holt Howard in here, but it's got a crack. And that pattern never really sells that well for me. I mean, sometimes I get lucky with it, but it's pretty hit or miss. I think I went this way already. Holy moly. All right, well, first and foremost, this daisy situation. Ooh, there's stuff everywhere back here. 24 pitcher and 3 glasses. It's a really good price. Wow, there's actually a lot of stuff I like here. The lamb, I've had that one before. That's about what I sold mine for. Love the daisies. I don't really want to ship that though right now. I'm tired thinking about it. This lucite napkin holder, 14. Oh, I'm so tempted, but I think that might be a little close. I feel like those have kind of depreciated recently. The shell bookends, those are neat. Now over here, I know this is new, but I can't resist my weird cat stuff. What was I saying? Oh yes, over here, this set is amazing, but at 32, that's about retail. Fabulous. At least I'm gonna assume it is. The poodle letter holder is only 9. That's actually not bad at all. Maybe I'll grab that. I want to look over here first though, because this is exciting looking. Okay, and I was not wrong. Basket is going down. I'm gonna start from the bottom here and work my way up. I love this set. That's super mid-century. It's at 20 though. This is so cute. These usually sell really well. 12, dang. Thought I was gonna get lucky on that one. Sometimes I find them for cheap. This is fantastic and really well priced. Those usually sell. That one's at 22. Look at this parrot planter. 22 again though. This little bisque. Yeah, I kind of feel like I should pick that up. Oh, it's 25% off. Oh my gosh. Look at me not even reading the signs. Looks in good condition too. Uber weird Pinocchio painting. I love all these old Western movie posters. And the cookie jar girl. I'm still on the fence about this. It's like, I know I can make money. I just don't really want to pay $12 for it at my first stop of the day. I know, that's like embarrassing almost to admit, but I'm gonna put it there. My basket's there, so if I change my mind. This is really cool. What is this? Japan. That's what I thought. Well, this is really, really different. $15. See, now this I have no problem paying $12 for. It's really different, and I've never seen it before. So my camera keeps cutting off again, which is a new development. What I was trying to say is I'm trying to keep it to stuff I have never had before, seen before. All these banks are at 20. I love them. This guy's at 22. 20 as well, I should say. Now, even with 25% off, I think that's a little too close for all those. But I'm really trying to keep it to stuff I haven't seen before, like I said, just because I've been to like 137 antique malls before I've actually had this. It sold pretty well. I want to say it sold for like $30 or something. Oh my gosh, so cute. The puzzles, those don't really sell that well for me though. I've had ones like that in the past, actually with a similar graphic, funny enough. Let's see, is there anything else over here? I need to, the chalkboard dancers. These are at 45, really good price for a collector. I don't feel like messing with them. I've bought and sold them before and they were a little bit of a pain to ship. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and take this clown. I think it's really, really fantastic. Like I said, never seen it before, so that sells me enough. After all was said and done there, I spent $32 and I'm gonna go throw this in the car. Hopefully I have less problems parking down the street. It seems walkable, but I don't wanna carry all my stuff. So I will see you guys down the road at the next Generations Antique Mall. And yes, that's not a clever thing I made up. It's literally called the Next Generation instead of Generations.